Poco X2 set for official debut next week. Within a couple of weeks after splitting from Xiaomi, Poco India has announced to launch new X series phone. The company is slated to bring the brand new Poco X2 on February 4. Poco has shared a link on its Twitter handle, which takes to a special website for mobiles only, which shows display refresh rate of the device. Also, it says the Poco X2 will have extreme refresh rate and takes a dig at rival OnePlus 7T series, which boasts 90 Hz refresh rate. The website also reveals the upcoming Poco X2 will have Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and come with dedicated thermal control technology to dissipate overheating while playing graphics-rich games. It will also come with 3.5mm audio, a high-capacity battery and can be powered via Type-C fast charger. Speculations are rife that Poco X2 may come with Sony IMX686 sensor for the camera. Going by the name and recent reports, the new Poco X2 is unlikely to be the successor of the Poco F2. The company is expected to bring 2 if not more devices through the year. Stay tuned. Poco India is expected to tease more teaser revealing key features of the X2 series mobile in the coming days. For more updates, subscribe to Techdustry.